What's up? Happy early 4th, and you are here with the Harris family and your girl Queen back with another back with another video. Happy early 4th of July. Yes, we are barbecuing. We are gonna make it do what it gonna do. We're gonna do the best that we can today. So right now I'm seasoning the chicken. You guys, I would like y'all to see the chicken, but we just gonna run a vlog like this. So right now I am doing the chicken. My camera is weird today. Yeah, that's how I put the corn. So I have already applied some of my seasoning to my chicken. You don't need much. Okay. A little garlic. You don't need much. This is for my barbecue chicken. I don't know how you guys make y'all chicken.
You put it in the back when you have the cool gotta look like.
Did you take the phone down to look at the coal? Is it
Yeah,
ready?
except when it's all white.
Is it all white yet, Twan? It's getting there. The fight still going? All right. Where's yours at?
Yeah. Huh? You think I can hear
Yeah.
I got it!
Alright, so I didn't apply the seasoning salt, so I'm gonna apply some seasoning salt to my chicken. I did base my chicken down with lemon juice because that's the way I needed it based down.
Look at my
Everybody, it's not hard. I mean, it's hard for me to barbecue, but I got my children, so I got trust and faith in God.
twist it.
So,
Yeah, that's how you do corn.
somebody put their phone on the vlog. Y'all pulling corn, please.
Okay.
So yeah, right now I'm just seasoning the meat.
Mommy, I'm done.
Okay.
Yep.
Don't break the ends because we need the end to sit on the
Yeah, it is
grill.
like
Yeah.
this.
So yeah. So now we got that done.
I do not see how you twist it.
I just this right there. Chicken. We got this.
Get your phone.
It's gonna be the best.
What you say?
Cause we gonna make it do what it do.
No, we're grilling it. What's up, KTH Muffin? Welcome back to a K. Before we get to the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. So you guys know how 4th of July is coming, right? Well, we decided to
He
do
said
it.
don't.
He said if you're gonna grill the green part.
Is that how she ever had hers?
No, I'll take one off. Look.
Just leave one on.
the stick.
Yeah, Sierra pulls on the stick.
It's mine.
Oh well.
Mine. It's in the bag.
So I didn't buy much corn because
My phone's going dead. That's why. So, we just got finished cutting this is the lettuce.
put the chicken in here real quick.
Yes. No, it's not.
Oh, it's not. That's corn.
What
Chicken.
is this then?
And make sure you get all the hell off your chicken. And happy early 4th of July. And if you tune into my channel, thank you for tuning into my channel. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I can't do it without you guys. I really wish I just had it where you guys can send me information. I'm gonna get some merch with my logo on it and stuff, you know. I don't like hell in the chicken, but easy. Got the chicken ready. So Antoine gonna be grilling. All right, put the chicken to the side. Boom, chicken ready. Oh, let me get the hamburger meat. Let me season the hamburger meat real quick. I'm gonna season the hamburger meat. Sure, that hamburger meat and corn up there. So hamburger patties. I'm gonna go ahead and season them off. Twan is not out there. He don't went in that bathroom. Don't know why. When he supposed to be watching the fire.
He was sitting on serving his phone.
So yeah, I'm just putting my stuff in the sink because I'm gonna season it, and I'm trying to like clean up behind my stuff. Y'all know I hate it when my kitchen is dirty.
They're all white.
What? The steak. Put the steak on there. The steak will go first. And some hot dogs. Yes. Got honey Pluto in there. So yeah. Yeah. Aisha cooking the beans. Gonna get them right. Right there, Twan. Don't drop the bowl. It's ready. All you gotta do is put it on the grill, son. Ain't gotta do nothing else. Yeah, so that grill, I'm keeping that grill. I'm cleaning that grill and putting that thing on my porch because that grill cost me money. Ready to go grill. So like I said, thank you for tuning to my channels. Thank you for tuning to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to go to my main channel where we do nothing but eat. Garbage bag, please. Get the garbage up. Let's work. Clean as you go. Let's work. My grandma taught me that. Clean as you go. When you, anytime you cooking, you clean as you go. You don't let the stuff get piled up because then you can't cook. You can't move around. I can't wait for God to bless me with my house because guess what? I'm a big cleaning and cooking every day. I'm blogging for y'all because I love y'all. And I want you to have your confidence, your dignity, your respect, your morals. I want you to love yourself. I want you to speak positive to yourself. I don't care what your situation is. I don't care what you're facing, what you're going through, what happened, who don't like what, and so they don't like you. So what? So what? You gay, and so what? Taisha, please grab that stuff. So what? You a lesbian. So what? You a boy, and you like another boy. Shelf. Shelf. So what? So what? You like another girl. So what? You bi. So what? You curious. The more is to be yourself. Yeah. Yeah. Love yourself. Love everything about you. Everything you got to. Because if you don't, nobody will. So I'm going to tell y'all this little cheat where y'all finna do this corn. So I'm finna clean the corn off. I'm finna season it real good.
Antoine says he needs the thing.
Don't be extra, okay?
Yes.
Find a fork. Find something to take to him. Take him a fork.
Get out my shoes. I didn't look at them.
Alright, so. What? Okay. No, it's not the 4th of July yet, honey. So what? He my daddy. This is my house. This is not his house. He can't tell me what to do when I take her phone. I don't care about you telling him nothing. That's my daddy, and he don't run nothing over here. This is not his house. She can tell my daddy whatever she want to tell him.
We need something to put in so I can take it downstairs.
What he want?
He wants this. Oh, so he can flip the stuff. He can flip the steak. Flip the steak.
It ain't ready to be flipped.
I was thinking.
You stay up here in the kitchen.
She don't got shoes.
Get some shoes on. You stay in the kitchen. That's your problem. You always trying to run out the kitchen, honey boo boo. Stay in the kitchen. Stay in the kitchen. You're moving too fast. Stop trying to outdo the little 8-year-old. You stay in here with me. Start making sure that counter and stuff clean. Put the AC on 70. Turn them lights off. They be trying to outdo each other, which y'all understand. This is a teamwork in here. This comes with a teamwork. So yeah. I don't know why my kids do that. No, I got it. Oh, I do it. Oh no, do your kids do that? Oh no, you can't. I got it. No, let her go. All right, we need the hot dogs.
Hot dogs. Right here.
See, we didn't get time to let our meat sit, but the only thing that was sitting was the steak. But that's okay. I'm gonna let him cook them steak. He ain't gotta cook the steak all the way because I'm gonna put them in the oven. Just cook them halfway.
I'm gonna time that.
Nope, I'm gonna let him, I know. He'll know, I tell him. It ain't ready to flip them, they gotta sit for a minute.
Yeah.
So they're on the phone with my daddy, y'all. I miss my daddy, I love my daddy, but there's some things he gotta understand that we gotta get across the line, you know. I'm not saying, you know, not to talk to my daddy, but I ain't gonna be disrespectful to my daddy, but so I know because my mental health is not good. So before I disrespect him, I won't talk to him. And that's just my way of not being disrespectful. Now his wife, or before I disrespect her, because I respect her because she with my father, but it's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing, y'all. Cause I grudge, and when I grudge for a long time. The shit I hear people say about me. And baby, I know all my children daddies. None of my kids are not us, nothing. All my kids were signed when they was born. Each one of them. Each one of my children was signed for. So, you know, I got some family issues going on, like, and when I grudge a long time, y'all. I'm telling you. Ain't no hitchhike about it. I grudge for a long time. When I do grudge. Well, that's what it was. My Saint tripping. I'm about to put some Drano in it. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all in a minute how to make y'all baked beans. Alright, so right now I'm gonna show y'all how to make baked beans. I think I made a show y'all. Some people I know they can't cook. Hamburgers ready. I need to get a pot for the hamburger, for the not for the hamburger, but for the beans. Damn, I keep saying beans. Cook the macaroni real quick.
I'm getting strings off the floor.
I don't know who washed these dishes, but they did not do a good job. And that's what I be talking about when y'all don't want to clean up. When y'all have to do something. So yeah. Try to clean my pot before I cook. Anything you cook with and you get it from underneath the sink, please make sure you clean your pot. Please throw that water away. Give me them cups. So we're gonna make the baked beans. When we make the baked beans, give me this cup. I should have bought some more than cups. They wasn't up right. They on sale. They was all that money and now they on sale. I be talking about Walmart.
Oh, you putting the corn in there? We gotta clean them.
Well, good. Let me rinse them off real quick. And then I'm gonna season the. Oh, these are corn, y'all. My bad. My baby peeled them too much. My cousin just told me that I could peel it. It's our first time grilling corn, so I ain't buy much because I don't like to waste food.
Yeah.
And everybody in here don't eat corn.
Besides me, I love grilled corn. It's delicious.
Yeah, I want my baby to have some corn because she was at my aunt's house and they had some corn. And I'm real sensitive about my children, about anything. If I think somebody said something or whatever, I'm just a sensitive person. That's why I stay home. I don't like to be going to no outings. And then we don't eat pork, so you know what I'm saying? I'm just a real sensitive person. Because if I have a gathering, I don't care who eat. You know what I'm saying? I don't care who eat. Just rinse that out like that. Right now I got to put some more water. Give me some salt and pepper. That's all I'm probably going to put on here. A little bit of salt and pepper, then we're going to wrap them. Then the catch for this, what I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to put it in the oven. Damn, I threw away. I forgot to buy some of this salt. Give me the pepper. Yeah, give me the salt too. I'm about to tell Einstein to go buy some salt. I don't like running out of salt. I hate
Why are you
that.
putting those in the oven?
Just for a little bit to assemble. Why are you taking that off? So you don't need much salt because I don't want it to be too seasoning.
Oh, we need the silver one.
Just a little salt and pepper. Not too much here. Here, honey. You don't need nothing. Trying to teach her about cooking so when she get older, she can know how to cook. Because her sister ain't trying to learn to do nothing. I'm gonna set my corn right here until I get ready to wrap them and baste them down with butter. Y'all gonna see that in a minute. Just set that right there.
Oh, you do put some butter in there. I forgot.
Washing my hands. Are you 1 year old? Or are you 4 years old? Okay, well act like it and get your water. Isn't in reach where you can get it. Come say hi to the bloggers.